She asked if I was Ashkenazi. I am naked on the examination table, and she asked if I was Ashkenazi. She asked if relatives have breast or ovarian cancer. She told me to put my house in order. Chemotherapy starts next week. I will be debulked. My reproductive organs will be removed, along with my appendix, lymph nodes, and omentum. Omentum? What in the hell is that? My commission. What do I tell the foundation? Can I work on the quilt during treatment? One in 40 Ashkenazi women have the BRCA gene mutation. 1 in 40. She asked if I was Ashkenazi. I said that until today I wanted to be.